Once upon a time, in a bright green forest, stood a little tree named Timmy. He was small, but dreamed big. Timmy wanted to see the world beyond the forest. One sunny day, a kind wind whispered, "I'll help you, Timmy." It blew gently, and Timmy's seeds floated high above the trees. The seeds traveled over sparkling rivers and colorful meadows. They saw rabbits hopping, birds singing, and butterflies dancing. One seed landed near a cozy village. A girl named Lily found it and planted it in her garden. "Grow strong, little seed," she said, watering it daily. With Lily's care, the seed grew into a sturdy tree. Timmy's new home was full of laughter as kids played under his shade. He felt happy, knowing he brought joy. Back in the forest, Timmy's roots stayed strong, but his heart soared with his seeds. He learned that even a little tree could touch the world with love and kindness, and so, Timmy's adventure showed every tree in the forest that dreams can grow big, no matter how small you start.